this one, I'm going to do a quick one for you. So I'm going to draw a circle. We are going to draw something like an apple. So we draw two circles. Yes, two circles. Yes, bring them together. Okay, that's good. I'll highlight both of them. Once I select both of them, look up here. You will see some group of icons. So I'll choose the combine to make them one shape. Okay, I'll drag this one down, and I'll click on this. I'll click on this rectangle tool. I'll draw it on top of here, just like this. Okay, then I'll click on my shape tool. And once you click on your shape tool, your icon will look like, your shape will look like. Then you Control Q, you have something like this. Then you click it twice. Okay, then once you click it twice, click on this line once. You click on this open circle, you bring it out like this. Yes, you click it twice, you click here, you click on this convert to curve, you bring it out. Yes, now once you've done that is good. Take it to one side. Then now start to apply the colors. You click on this, you can apply your green, you click here, you can apply your red. Put on that 3 circles again, on that circle, then you bring it on top of here, bring another one here, bring another one here. Okay, highlight 3 of them, then put it white, then reduce, then remove the outline, like right click here. Okay, then you can actually bring another circle, you make it a little bit big, you color it white, just drag it to this point, remove the outline, then you see all this transparency to you click on it, then you drag it like this. Yes, drag it like this. Good, that is good. Then you can bring it this way, somewhere here like this. Yes, maybe right click on this, power click inside this thread. Yes, that is how you do it. They can highlight everything, right click on your X to remove the outline, and that's it. They can bring a black background or any background altogether, just put it. If you want to color it blue or any color, just send it to the back, right click, order, send to back of layer, there you have it. Then you can make this back layer full color. I go to the interactive view, before you click on it, click on this one, left click and you drag. You see there are 2 colors here now, but I have to make it elliptical. I'll click it on this one, then drag it behind, then bring it here, somewhere up here. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. This is a quick one, so I wish you all the best. Just go through these few tools, then you can use it to achieve 1 or 2 things. Thank you.